we need is to test this ingco cordless drill. It's as simple. Okay, so you're going to open that box again. Okay. Look at that wonderful plastic case. Okay. Here we go. Remove that manual. Take the battery. I assume this is charged. Hopefully. Yeah. It's as simple as that. Take the drill. Here we go. So the drill is just like that, and the battery is just like that. Look at the fittings. Simply fit that in just like that. Lock and load. Here we go. And here we go. Here's the drill. Push the button. Here we go. Green, red, and other green. First speed. Okay, let's start by first speed. Here's a lamp. Speeding. 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 Last speed. Okay, so this is how it speeds. Okay, let's unlock it. Okay, so we need to rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, sorry. Okay, no, not this way. Okay, so okay, so simply automatically. Okay, we're going to use, I think 6mm or 7mm, something like that, drilling bit to test its power. So I'm going to use one of the best drilling bits in the market. So simply I just get the drill bit and place it here just like that. millimeter. Okay. Okay. So I just made sure it's 6 millimeter drilling bit. So I place it just like that. That's easy breezy. I just rotate it anti-clockwise and it will lock. As you see, locks easily in place. Just extra lock it, just to make sure it doesn't break. Okay. Okay. Got it. So, here we go. We have this huge block of metal. I'm going to drill it and see if it drills correctly or not. That's very strong piece of metal. So let's see the capabilities. Okay, I have to. Oops, it's drilling. Oh my god. It's drilling metal. It's drilling metal, not an ordinary piece of metal. I can't believe it. And it's not hot yet. Okay. That happened because I didn't hold it in place because I'm taking the video with the other hand. So that's why. And it's not stable. Here we go. But it drilled it. It didn't destroy the drilling bit. Let's check. Couldn't believe it. And what you see here is a wonderful, nice, clean hole into the metal. I cannot believe it. If you believe it, I just cannot believe it. Let's do another hole. Okay. Hope nothing goes wrong this time. Try to make it stable as possible. Okay. Here we go. Testing is important. Okay. We're going to see. Okay, let's test it out. Okay. Here we go. Wow. It's just like that. I drilled the hole. It's a 12-volt ingco cordless drill. There's nothing wrong with it. It drilled as fast as possible and it drilled perfectly. What you can do by mistake is that you can, if you're not holding it well, you can damage the drilling bit. There's nothing going to happen to the drill. It's a very powerful drill, by the way. I don't believe it's 12 volts. I don't believe it. Again, 2 holes in metal. I'm not talking about wood. If it's wood, of course it's going to drill efficiently. Again, that was it. Thank you for watching the Mobile Technology Store, and see you next time in a new video. And tell me your opinions in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.